Hello, Peter here, your Pinoy accountant. So, good news naman yung pag-usapan natin for today. So, we have here yung panibagong labas lang ng BIR na kanilang one-time tax abatement program. Ayan, a fresh start for micro businesses and stop filers. So, I got this, itong info na ito, itong image info from the Facebook of BIR. So, ito nga, yung bagong na-release na revenue regulations number 4-2026 issued on June 22, 2026. So this is about the one-time tax abatement. So ano bang ibig sabihin ng tax abatement? Ibig sabihin, yung ating mga tax liabilities, ayan, kasali na yung mga penalties, will be reduced to a certain amount na lang. Instead of, for example, 50,000 yung tax liability ninyo and the penalties, you will have to pay lang yung abatement fee of 5,000. And with the payment upon approval, ayan. So, mako-close na yung inyong tax liability and pati na yung mga penalties for the taxable year. So, for each taxable year, yung pag-apply natin ng tax abatement program ng BIR. So, ito, just a quick ano lang, maganda kasi itong kanilang info na nilabas. Ito. So, who can avail? Ayan. So, it's very clear those micro taxpayers lang. So, yung micro taxpayers, yung basihan niyan is yung annual gross sales ninyo. Pag hindi siya nag-exceed ng 3 million, ayan, for the taxable year, you are qualified, you are considered as, I mean, micro taxpayer. So, pwede kayong mag-avail nitong tax abatement na ito. So, again, the threshold is 3 million. And then, number two, another prerequisite, ayan, yung total basic tax liabilities ninyo, ayan, and or penalty. So, yung basic tax due ninyo plus the penalty. So, yung surcharge and the compromise. So, stated dun sa RR number 4-2026, excluded yung interest. So, yung maximum niya is 80,000. So, for example, nung 2024, ayan, yung tax liabilities natin, the tax due and the penalties, example, ano lang, 75,000. Ayan, so, pwede kayong mag-avail because that is 80,000 and below. So, dapat hindi mag-exceed ng 80,000. Yung total ng tax due and the penalties. Ayan. For each taxable year. Again, so 2023, iba din yon yung cap niya or the threshold for 2023, 80,000. 2024, 80,000. 2025 is another 80,000. So, each taxable year, yung max na tax liabilities and the penalties is 80,000. Ayan. And then, next is includes yung micro businesses and the stop filers, including those who have already ceased business operations. So ito din yung common na problem kasi yung nag-close na ng business, hindi nila ma-close because dahil madaming pending, may mga open cases na tinatawag. So yun yung mga stop filers. Ibig sabihin may mga, for example, may mga tax returns kayo na hindi na-submit. For example is the quarterly income tax return ninyo nung 2023, may mga hindi kayo na-submit. So ayan, that would form part of your mga open cases or yung stop filer. So, yun, kailangan yung i-file yon and then kailangan natin ipa-compute magkano ba yung mga penalties natin doon and the tax due so that kailangan kasi natin i-apply each taxable year. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung application form. So each taxable year, kailangan natin applyan manually doon sa ating RDO using the application form. So yung details sa application form, of course, kailangan natin ano ba yung mga tax type and the amount. So mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. And then ito the covered cases. So nakalagay dito is ito yung mga covered cases, delinquent accounts, assessments, ayan, whether preliminary or final, whether disputed or not, open, and it also includes the open stop filer cases. So basically, almost lahat ng cases, ayan, mapadelinquent man yan, ayan, whether preliminary pa or final, ayan, whether under dispute pa siya, pwede nyong i-apply yan ng itong tax abatement ng BIR. So yung covered tax liabilities, again, pertain to cases existing as of December 31, 2025. So ayan. So to get your mga open cases, all you need to do is punta kayo sa inyong RDO and then sabihin nyo you would want to avail itong tax abatement and kailangan nyo ng open cases monitoring. So, kailangan yung pumunta sa RDO talaga so that you will get the list. Ano ba yung mga open cases inyo na hindi pa na-file, for example. Ayan. So, what is abated? The abatement of the taxes and the penalties. Ayan, for qualified micro taxpayers under existing cases. So, ibig sabihin, abatement, magiging close na yung inyong mga taxes and yung penalties. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, ma-erase na yung mga taxes and penalties natin, which is very good news. Ayan. With just the abatement fee of, again, 5,000 per application. So that is per taxable year. So the program period, ayan, valid until December 31, 2026 lang. So we still have a lot of time pa. So yung number one talaga na step na gagawin natin is we should go to our RDO so that maka-receive tayo ano ba yung mga open cases natin, and then we can file for that, and then we can get the penalties so that we can apply for this tax abatement. Ayan. So ito yung mga benefits daw, ayan, so that mas-settle yung past obligations, ayan, without a heavy financial burden. So basically, ayan, may erase lahat ng mga tax liabilities natin prior years, ayan, December 31, 2025, and the prior years, ayan, so that we will have a clean slate or a clean start, kumbaga. So mawawala yun sa ating record. And then yung mga businesses na gusto din close, finally magka-close nyo na with just the 5,000 pesos na abatement fee. Ayan. So, how to avail? Ayan, check your eligibility. So, ayan, yung nabanggit dito yung mga who are qualified to avail. And then, file the application. So, may application form, papakita ko mamaya. And then, sa RDO nyo mismo, sila yung mag-evaluate. Ayan, so you will pay the abated amount, the 5,000. Ayan, under the program. And then, after nun, pag na-approve, ayan, you will get a fresh start. Ayan. So, ito lang yung, kumbaga, ito yung mga important notes that na nakasaad or nakasulat dun sa Revenue Regulations number 4-2026. So papakita ko na sa inyo yung application form. So ito pala yung RR 4-2026. Ayan, ito yung mga guidelines. So if you would want to read the entire regulation, ipopost ko lang yung link sa ating description box. And then yung application form naman, so ito yung application form, one-time abatement for micro taxpayers application form. So ito yung mga details na kailangan ninyo. And then yung important lang dito is ito yung tax type. So kailangan nyo kunin talaga yung inyong case monitoring from your RDO so that you will know ano ba yung tax type na missing sa inyo. For example, registration fee. So previous years pa, required pa yung annual registration fees. Ayan. So, and it could be mga 1701Q, ano ba yung mga na-miss out nyo. The quarterly income tax return, ayan, the quarterly percentage tax return. Ayan, so kailangan nyo yung details and yung amount due, magkano ba. So, ito yung form, and then you will have to submit ito sa inyong RDO. Ayan, so yun lang ating video for today. So it's very quick video lang. We just talked about itong RR number 4-2026. So this is very good news. So if ever, ayan, if ever yung ating tax dues, the liabilities, and natin for each taxable year is above 5,000. Ayan, 5,000 kasi yung abatement fee. So kung above yan, for example, 20,000, ayan. So we should take this opportunity because hanggang December 31, 2026 lang to. So instead of paying, for example, 30,000, 25,000, yung abatement fee na lang na 5,000 yung ating ibabayad kay BIR. So ayan, so very good news. So yun nating video for today. My name is Peter, your Pinoy accountant. So if may mga tanong kayo, just comment down below, and super thank you sa mga nag-support, sa mga nag-like, nag-subscribe, and nag-share ng ating videos, and sa mga nag-comment. I'll do my best to answer your mga questions. And we also have may mga templates tayo sa ating website. You can go to www.pinoyaccountant.com/download, and you can download our templates for free. And if you would want to send out your support, ayan, so that I can continue making this mga free videos, mga tutorials, you can go to www.pinoyaccountant.com/donate. Ayan, super thank you, and I'll see you in our next video.